Hello everyone, welcome back to our low code video series. So today I'm gonna talk about Power Platform. So the first slides, it's all about what is Power Platform. So Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of application connector and data platforms. It means that you can connect with the data, you can retrieve the information, you can save the information, you can build the UI, and you can build the automated flow system so that whenever change is happening through your UI with respect to data, you should get a notification. So you can build that. So in Power Platform, four components available. With that component, you can build a scale solutions. Second is enable quick and easy automation of processes building a solution, data analysis, and creating a virtual agent. So you can use a, a flow, correct? Let's say you wanted to acknowledge the email what you receives. You can create the flow so that whenever emails comes in your buckets, it automatically runs and delivered the acknowledgement, correct, or accept the acknowledgement with some number, correct. You can go ahead and create that, or maybe you can go ahead and create the virtual agents. So if a people reached out to your websites and they are asking some question, your virtual agent replies retrieving a data information. Third is all about how many components are available when you're building a Power Platform app through a Power Platform. So you have four components available: Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent. So now I'm going to discuss more in detail about components. So you have Power BI, which is nothing but if you want to create a visualization out of the data, you can go ahead and use a Power BI. Power is nothing but building a low code, no code solutions through this Power Apps. Third is Power Automate. Through that, you can create the flow, automated flow or repetitive flow, correct? You can go ahead and build that, and the moment trigger happens, or maybe a schedule basis of schedule, you can create the flow. Fourth is Power Virtual Agent. So if you want to create a chatbot, a scaled chatbot, retrieving data information, you can go ahead and use the Power Virtual Agent. So now I'm going to talk in detail about each component. So Power BI is nothing but it gives you insights about your data. So it's a business analytics services. Create interactive reports and dashboards. You can share among a people to use it to understand. Second is all about Power Apps. So Power Apps help you to create an app without writing extensive coding. It solves the problem with tailored solutions. So when you have some idea, you know to go anywhere, correct? You have this low code, no code system available or application available. You can go ahead and use that, and you can create a scaled solution. And now third point is you can connect to multiple data sources. You may be feel to connect with OneDrive, Google Drive, or some data, correct? Maybe SQL Server. You can go ahead and connect that, and you can build the solutions. Third is Power Automate. So using the Power Automate, you can create a streamlined flow. Let's say every day morning, you need to filter out the data. Basis of filter out, you need to select the people. You need to drop a email, correct, to assign some task. So those type of automated flow you can create over here using a Power Automate, so that you can increase the productivity by automating the repetitive task. And you can go ahead and create the complex task at a org level also. Next is Power Virtual Agent. With help of Power Virtual Agent, you can create a Q&A. You can create and retrieve the information from the backend. Let's say if a people come within your chat saying that where is my order, so you can, and the chatbot will ask, tell me order number. Let's say a user gave order number, so chatbot system will go back in system and it will try to find out those information related to the order ID, and it will give you the information where the order resides. And for doing this, you don't need coding. Okay. Now, question will come in your mind: why use Power Platform? Correct. It's a good question. Correct. So as I have experience, that's why I'm sharing my thought. So you can streamline your business process. So it's comes under efficiency. So you're reducing it. No need to go somewhere to approach people to write a code. Since it is low code environment, you need to write an extension coding over there. You can bring the innovation. So what happens? Idea to reality, it used to take time, correct? Because you have idea but you don't know programming. But through this app, you can go ahead and create a solution out of that. And the third point is it help employee to bring whatever the idea they have to a reality using this tool. Now, I'm just going to share few of the links where you can go ahead and read about the Power Platform in details. So first is all about Power Platform, and you can go ahead and join the community, whatever the community is available. And I feel these are the website link is very useful if you wanted to learn Power Platform in deep. You can go through with that. Second is your resources, third is workshop, and fourth is a blog, correct? Now I'm here. So first link I talked about, if you want to understand Power Platform, correct, how industry is moving, where we can go ahead and use it, you can go ahead and understand that, correct? So now it's going to talk about you can automate everything possible. You can build an app, you can streamline the security, correct? You can go ahead and read about that. Then here it tell about Power Platform, so you can uh, build a solution. You can have a data resides in Dataverse, you can have a security control, and you can monitor it. So there's admin central option available, and you have lot many connectors available, so you have 1000 plus connector available to connect and build a solution. So why Microsoft Power Platform? Because it's a cloud ecosystem, correct? And again, in the Microsoft Power Apps, you have options to bring AI capabilities, so maybe build a model, maybe face recognitions, those type of things you can go ahead and bring, and you can build the solutions. And you can build a great solution, correct? So you can collaborate, enable a developer to create an innovative solution and scale it. So one video is available. If you get a times to come away with this website, you can go ahead and watch that. Now we'll go down. So explore the innovative end-to-end business solutions. So when I say Power Platform, there's four components. So using this four component, you can build enterprise grade solutions. Maybe you can use Power BI for visualization. This is for app building. This is for automating flow. This is for a page. If you wanted to use it as a website, you can go ahead and create a solution out of that. So next is all about resources. So you have all resources available with their technical information plus the domain information, correct? So you can try Power BI, correct? So this is the Power BI. Get started with Power BI. And if you want to learn a technical part of this Power BI, you can go ahead and learn. And if you want to join a community, you can go ahead and join the community. And if you want to contribute in terms of the question people raise and you wanted to answer, you can go and answer it. You can join the email event, correct? Then this is related to Power Apps. Same goes to their self-guided learning plus technical resources available if you want to learn. Then same goes to community. You can go ahead and join and share it. Same goes to Power Automate, technical, then your normal resources. Then if you want to join a community, you can go ahead and join. Then same goes to Power Pages, you can go ahead and join. And same goes to community. Third is all about if any live session is happening through Microsoft, you can go ahead and join. You can search over here. So these many session is going to happen or maybe happen in past. So dashboard in a day, automation in a day, Power Pages in a day, Copilot in a day. Then fourth is blog, correct? So blog, within the blog, you may see updates, correct? So what recent changes happen in the Power Platform area? What new connector is coming up? So those detail you will able to find it over here. I hope I was I was able to go through with this Power Platform and hope that I'm able to explain. Thanks for watching this video. Uh, in future, if you wanted to have a different session on the particular topic, please comment us so that I'll make it so that it will help you to understand. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.